In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using the Wise app or website. Wise provides a straightforward and efficient method to transfer funds internationally, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth experience. To begin, you'll need to access your Wise account. You can do this by either opening the Wise app on your smartphone or navigating to the Wise website using your preferred web browser. Once there, log in using your credentials. This is your entry point to accessing all of Wise's money transfer features. Next, let's start the transfer process. On the main screen, you'll see a clearly marked Send button. Click on it to initiate your transfer. This action will take you into the part of the platform where you can specify the details of your transaction. Now that you've started a transfer, it's time to choose the currency and the amount. Select the currency you'd like to send money from. Then enter the specific amount you wish to transfer. This step is vital as it directly impacts the calculation of the exchange rate and any associated fees, so make sure you double check your entries. Once you've set your currency and amount, it's time to add your bank details. Click on the option to add a new recipient to begin. Entering the correct bank account details is crucial here, so take care to input the right information. You might need to click Enter Bank Details and then select the option for Myself if you are sending money to your own account. At this point, you'll also need to choose the currency of the bank account you are transferring the money to. Ensure these details align with where you want your funds to end up. With your details in place, you're ready to confirm and send your money. This is where you'll want to review the transfer summary thoroughly. Take a moment to look over the exchange rate, fees, and all the data you've entered. Once satisfied, click Confirm or Send Money to finalize the transaction. Depending on your account and the amount you are sending, you might need to go through some additional verification steps for security purposes. Finally, after your money has been sent, you can track its progress right within your Wise account. Wise provides transaction tracking so you can monitor the status of your transfer until it reaches its destination. This feature gives you peace of mind, knowing exactly where your money is at each stage of the process. That's all there is to it, a seamless way to send money across borders using Wise. By following these instructions, you can ensure that your international transfers are both secure and hassle-free.